Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and sorry I haven't posted in a while, but today I'm going to be showing you guys all my slime. And I'm so sorry for that bump on my head. I fell off my skateboard, so yeah. So I don't have a lot, but I have enough. So yeah, I'm going to start off with this thing. So I have two in this one. So I'm going to start off with this one. So this one is a kinetic slime. And I actually made it. I made my own slime, and then I put kinetic sand in it. So this is how it looks. It leaves this residue on your hands, but it's worth playing with it because it's just like amazing. So look at that. Oh gosh. Okay. Then it makes this amazing sound. Like what? You hear that? Oh my gosh, I love this slime. So yeah, and this one's called, I had a name for it. Oh, Green Sandcastle. That's what it was called. So yeah, that is that slime, and I actually really like this slime. So amazing. Sorry guys, I love this slime. Oh, and guys, if y'all know, what's her name? Alexander's Life, don't go and shade hate on her because she's pregnant at 12. And she, if y'all want to go, see why, just go see why, go look up, Alexander's Life. But don't go throw shade on her, okay, guys? It's not nice, and she's dealing with enough, already. So stop. It's annoying. And it's not nice. She's younger than me. I'm 13. So just don't go throw shade at her. It's mean. So yeah, this is that slime. And I love it. So yeah. The next slime is like, okay, yeah, I'm not even gonna show that one because it's disgusting. I'm just gonna, it's one of my smoothie slimes, and it's just ugh. So I'm not even gonna show that slime. Okay. So next slime is this slime, and this one's called Oreo slime, and it has black glitter and beads. And guys, I promise I didn't put no color in this whatsoever. It's the glitter that makes it look like I put a color in it. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's like it just has black glitter, and yeah, and it's really nice, and it has really nice popping noises, and it's really it's kind of stiff, but it's still pretty stretchy, and it's amazing. See, look at that. And it has some big glitters too. So yeah. Next slime is this slime. So this is my vanilla cream slime. It's called vanilla cream slime. And it's completely white. It doesn't have anything in it. It's just completely white. It kind of just looks like ice cream, but it's more whiter than ice cream. So this one's called, guys, comment down below, should I name it, Mr. Snowman Slime, or should I name it, or should I keep it a name it already is, and that's vanilla, vanilla white. So here it is. This is how it looks. It's completely white, guys. There's nothing in it. There may be like a couple hairs for my hair, but there's nothing in it. And it's very clicky and very stretchy. And then see the pouch. So yeah. So that's how it looks, and it's called the nail. What I just said that at the other a little while ago, that's the name, because I kind of forgot it. Okay, and the last slime is this slime, and this one is kind of sticky. Well, maybe not. Okay, never mind. Well, this slime is called my bubblegum strawberry slime, and it's really, really pretty, and it's like amazing. I love the color. I love how the color turned out like just right, and it's so warm. I don't know why, but it's like so pretty. And if I always wanted it to be a little bit more lighter, I could always add a little bit of that white slime in there. But this slime is one of my favorites because I love the color of it. It's just amazing. See? But yeah, so here it is. It's very pretty, and it's called Bubblegum Strawberry, or Strawberry Bubblegum, whatever one. So yeah. So yeah, so this is a slime. It's called a Strawberry Bubblegum, and it's really cold. So this one's called Strawberry Bubblegum. This one's called Oreo Slime. This one's called Ice Cream Slime, and this one's called Green Sandcastle, and the other one's called just Ugly Smoothies. I don't really have a name for that one. But I love this one. It's so amazing. So yeah, here it is. It's amazing. I love if you move it a couple times, like do this, what I'm doing, what I'm showing y'all guys. If you see what I'm doing right now, if you do that a couple times, it like fluffs up and it looks like cloud slime. Well, it is basically cloud slime, but it's also kinetic slime because I added kinetic sand into it. So basically it's kinetic sand, but it really, really acts like cloud slime. So yeah, it's amazing. From now on, this family does exactly what I say, exactly when I say it. So yeah, here it is. It's amazing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be posting a video tomorrow, and I want to be trying to post every day, but may not happen. I'm gonna be posting a video later tomorrow night. Because I have to go to my friend's house. Every Tuesday I have to go to my friend's house. Because my mom and her mom go to a Bible study. Because tomorrow's like our church day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Push the post notification button right there to become a member of my life, basically. So yeah, oh guys, sorry, I forgot to show you this slime. And it's really disgusting. Huh? Cause I want it open? It's called Moby Dick Bathroom in Melville. Moby what? Babe, this one's called, here it is. It's called, Ginger. gingerbread, and it's really pretty. So yeah, bye.